AI now can help you create videos without editing skills. Hello everyone, today I'm going to take you through MagicLight, a potent AI video generator that can transform any idea into a full-length video. I'm from AI Tooler. You don't even need editing experience to use this tool, which can do anything from short films to faceless YouTube channels and children's stories. Additionally, MagicLight's newest feature allows you to instantly go viral with just one click. Want to try MagicLight now? Just click on the link in the description. Wait until the very end of the video to learn how to get in. After watching this video, guys, be sure to click on all the helpful links in the description. Some amazing things are waiting for you. Let's examine its actual capabilities. MagicLight Overview. Some of the things that truly set MagicLight apart are, it's not limited to brief videos. YouTube videos up to 30 minutes long or entire episodes can be made from plain text. One of the newest and, to be honest, most amazing features is Go Viral in one click. It creates viral-style videos for you based on current trends and a tried-and-true formula. No planning, no writing of a script. Everything is generated automatically when you select a template. Story, graphics, tempo, and narration are all tailored for TikTok or YouTube. It does work too. Videos like One Bad Choice and She Hit Too Long received millions of views and generated a healthy profit. Another significant victory? Consistency of character. In contrast to other AI tools that might haphazardly change your character's hairstyles or attire between scenes, your characters remain consistent throughout, ideal for telling stories. And it's a very easy process. Simply enter a story or prompt, select a style, and MagicLight creates your video with voice, music, and animation for Disney, anime, comics, and cyberpunk. To make your characters just the way you want them to be, you can also upload custom images. This tool gives you all you need to realize your idea, whether you're pitching story ideas or creating content for YouTube or TikTok. Before we continue, guys, I try to make my content entertaining rather than dry. In exchange, if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. How to utilize it. This is how it operates. After logging in, you'll see two primary options on magiclight.ai. Create AI video, create AI character, choose Create AI Video if you want to get started right away. Let's take a look at the Go Viral in one-click tool before we start creating a custom video. A variety of viral-style video templates can be found on the editor's right-hand side. Select one based on a theme you like, and MagicLight will produce a full script, visual strategy, and pacing style right away that will work well on social media and YouTube. As you can see, this feature is among the simplest methods for producing a video that receives views. The standard procedure is as follows if you would prefer to create something from scratch. You can either use the Generate from Prompt option or type your story straight into MagicLight. Additionally, it can accommodate up to 12,000 characters. An entire short film or a multi-part story could fit in there. After your story is finished, decide whether to use a landscape or portrait video ratio. Whatever suits your style, MagicLight has a ton of options, including realistic, cartoon, cyberpunk, and even anime. After that, MagicLight divides your narrative into scenes and begins incorporating images. To achieve the ideal flow, you can change or rearrange anything. Characters are the next step. You can either use pre-made designs or create your own by entering details like gender, age, and a brief description. MagicLight automatically detects them. After that, the tool creates your storyboard with suggested images for each scene. It's very beneficial to see the whole picture before moving on, but it takes a minute or two. Do you dislike visuals? For more control, simply regenerate it or modify the prompt with a program like ChatGPT. Next, change the voiceover to your preferred style. For a more natural sound, I usually set the speed to 0.9. Life felt like a chocolate box. It's impossible to predict what you'll get. Music is no different. Just be careful not to muffle the voice. Do you want the animation to be even more fluid? For every image, click Animate and choose from 3 models. Although it could use a few more tweaks, the Animated Pro model gives the best result, though it may use a few extra credits. After you're satisfied, click Generate, and MagicLight compiles everything into a complete video, without a watermark. For whom is MagicLight intended? Almost anyone who wishes to convey stories visually without a large... Is this for whom? Anyone without a large team or advanced editing abilities who wishes to tell visual stories. It works well for short films, kids' stories, anonymous YouTube channels, and even converting educational videos into entertaining animated ones. And it's revolutionary if all you want is to save time. You can do all of your scripting, voice, animation, and editing in one location, rather than utilizing 5 separate apps. In conclusion, MagicLight AI is among the greatest resources available for converting text to video. It is quick, adaptable, and greatly increases the feasibility of long-form content. This tool is useful for expanding your audience, creating narratives, or simply experimenting with artificial intelligence. Additionally, the Go Viral in One-Click feature is a must-try if you want to go viral fast. The game might actually change as a result. The link in the description will allow you to test it out right now. If you want to try MagicLight today, click the link in the description. MagicLight is waiting for you. Please feel free to like or subscribe for more videos like this one if you found it useful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.